Back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a propane tank and boxing it in so it's airtight, and we're going to install it right back here, this space here. We're going to ventilate it through the bottom of the van. I'm going to build a box which is going to be a little bit wider than where this pipe is. I could move the pipe, but I think I'm just going to put the box on like a toe kick to raise it up above this so it can come out past this pipe here. I've got a few pieces cut already, 15 inches by 19 inches. And now I'm gonna start assembling them with some wood glue and finish nails. And then everything will be caulked to make sure all the seams will be caulked to make sure it's airtight. Now the beginning of the box is formed. You can see at the bottom I have a 1/2 inch lip. So the door will sit on that lip, push in, and then there'll be basically weather stripping around all the edges, like a foam weather stripping. And then 2 like compression clamps here and here to squeeze it tight up against the foam, so it'll be airtight. And then we'll add a like a metal lip to lock this in place down at the bottom. And now we just have to build the toe kick for this to sit on. So here's the toe kick for the bottom, and then the box is just going to attach to it like that. Then everything's got to get caulked and sealed. Okay, I went a little crazy with the caulking just to make sure it's airtight, but won't really matter. This is not going to be seen on the inside, and I'm going to paint it anyway. So I have this angled piece of aluminum that I've cut down. This will screw under here to keep the bottom of the door in. I picked up this rubber weather stripping from Home Depot, which is going to keep everything airtight. You can see I have it laid out here around the door. The door will slide in like this. Then I have these clamps. I'll clamp the door down, which I got on Amazon. I'll put a link for those. The bottom toe kick also has the weather stripping, which will sit like that under the box. This will get attached to the box and then caulked around here, so that'll all be airtight. And then we're going to drill through the box, through the bottom of the van, this drill bit here, adding this 1 inch interior diameter pipe for ventilation. And that should handle the propane enclosure. Now that I have this upside down, I can attach this with some finish nails and then put a bead of caulk all the way around to seal this section here. And then when I place this down on the ground, the rubber should seal the bottom section. So this is how it's going to sit over here, and once I put the door on, that'll be airtight. But now I just need to take some measurements and drill the hole for the air vent. I've cut some pipe insulation down just as some padding so the tank doesn't bounce around here, and then I'll probably add a bungee cord to secure it as well. And now I'm going to install the PVC pipe in there. So here's the PVC pipe all caulked in. Come to think of it, I actually didn't need to seal over here because once this interior box is sealed up and this pipe is sealed up, there's no gases that can go under here, so that wasn't really necessary. But let me show you what it looks like underneath the vent. So here's the vent pipe, and this is all sealed in. This is the drain pipe for the water tank, and this is the air vent for the water tank. Figured I'd show you that while we're under here. Now you can see I've got the 2 propane hoses through the box here, sealed up. I have a propane splitter here. I'll put a link for that in the description. And with the foam insulation on the side and the back, it's wedged in there pretty good. I'm going to just put a bungee cord from here to here to lock it in, and once I put the door on, this should work out quite nicely. Okay, so check it out. It fits right in the lip here. These kind of clamp it down. It's got a little touch-up painting here. That's pretty much it. Everything's connected and working. Please like and subscribe, and got a few more things we're coming out with soon.